In this video we will tell you about incorporating superfoods into your diet can significantly enhance longevity and overall health. Blueberries, rich in antioxidants, and spinach, packed with vitamins and minerals, combat oxidative stress and support immune function. Salmon and avocado provide heart-healthy fats and essential nutrients, while nuts offer a powerful combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Green tea's antioxidants improve brain function and reduce cardiovascular risks, and garlic's anti-inflammatory properties support heart health. Quinoa, a nutritious whole grain, aids in blood sugar regulation and digestion. Finally, dark chocolate, when consumed in moderation, provides antioxidants that benefit heart and brain health. These superfoods collectively help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and promote long-term well-being. 9 superfoods that can help you live longer. 1. Blueberries. Join us as we delve into the world of nutrition and discover how small changes can lead to big health benefits. Let's embark on this path to a healthier, longer life together. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve heart health, or simply feel your best, these superfoods offer delicious and effective ways to enhance your diet. Benefits: high in antioxidants, vitamins C and K, and fiber. Blueberries help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. How to eat: add them to smoothies, yogurt, or salads. Spinach benefits: loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, iron, and calcium. Spinach promotes bone health, reduces oxidative stress, and supports immune function. How to eat: use in salads, smoothies, or as a cooked side dish. Nuts benefits: nuts like almonds, walnuts, and cashews are high in healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, supporting heart health and reducing inflammation. How to eat: enjoy as a snack, add to salads, or use in baking. Avocado benefits: rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, vitamins, and minerals, supporting heart health and reducing inflammation. How to eat: enjoy as a snack, add to salads, or use in baking. Avocado benefits: rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and vitamins E, K, and B6. Avocados help improve heart health. Green tea benefits: contains antioxidants like catechins, which improve brain function, aid in fat loss, and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. How to eat: drink hot or cold and consider adding a squeeze of lemon for extra benefits. Garlic benefits: known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, garlic can reduce blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and support immune function. How to eat: use in cooking, add to salad dressings, or roast as a side dish. Quinoa benefits: this whole grain is packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, helping to regulate blood sugar, support digestion, and provide sustained energy. How to eat: use as a base for salads, in soups, or as a side dish. Dark chocolate benefits: high in antioxidants, especially flavonoids, dark chocolate can improve heart health, enhance brain function, and reduce inflammation. How to eat: enjoy as an occasional treat, in moderation, with a high cocoa content, 70% or more. Incorporating these superfoods into a balanced diet can contribute to a longer, healthier life.
Thank you for watching. If you like video, then click on like and subscribe the channel for more updated videos.